Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Online Study for You, complete placement solution. So this is yet another video on off-campus hiring. It is proposed by 3 different companies and there are 7 major openings. So in this video, we'll be discussing about what are the eligible criteria, how to apply for this, and what are the roles and responsibilities you'll be handling, every details regarding that. So before getting to this video, if you like this video, don't forget to like this video. And if you're not subscribed to our channel yet, please to subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon to get the notifications at the earliest. And one more thing that I would like to remind you is our 21 days of crash course session, which have been started on 9th of April and is going to end by 30th of April. There is still a week more to make your enrollment. Make your enrollment at the earliest. We're just availing this whole package for you at just rupees 249, which is completely worthy and it's up to affordable. So now let's get started to the video which we was discussing. So let's start with Lenovo. Lenovo is hiring for the position. Basically, it's a marketing opening. So in location, Bengaluru. Now the jobs and responsibilities that we'll be handling, they will be 1 year on-site training for the position of web developer intern, working closely with Lenovo web team on Hybris and Drupal CMS. The individual will be trained in the platforms and core web technology. Site hygienic and QA will be primary responsibilities. So it is a marketing job. Actually, we have even it is a marketing base. It is web development. That is, the web development is marketing. Okay, that is, you'll be handling that, and hence you'll be developing the user interface too. And you will be having a training. They have mentioned here. You will be having a 1 year of training, and then you will be getting placed there itself. So you'll be having stipend too. So now the positions required is basic knowledge of web development skills. Computer science students prefer good communication skills. So this is only the requirements they are looking forward for. If you're a computer science student and you have basic web development skill, then good communication, you can apply for this. And the question is what coming here is can we apply from other streams, can apply here or not? I mean, if they have clearly mentioned it's computer science students preferred, but it doesn't mean that only computer science students, even the other stream students, if you have knowledge in basic web design development skills and communication, everything, then you can also give it a try. They'll be assessing your profile and enrolling you. So this is what about the Lenovo. So let's look how to apply for that. We have a link here, apply now. You can go to this link and make your application. You can register your profile under this. So as you can see, this is the first step. You have to upload your resume, or if any of this, like LinkedIn, if you're updated in that, profile is updated in that, you can go for this, or else you can fill your application form. Application form, everything is so similar. I mean, your personal details, your graduation details, your previous education details. If you have any previous experience, then if you're freshers, 0 years of experiences. So this is all about the web developer intern in Lenovo. So the package here is 15, it will be between 15 to 20 K per month. Okay, so stipend you will be getting for this will be that. It's approximately a high package for an intern in India. So yeah, you can make your turn at the earliest and apply for this. Now moving on to the other, which is Airbus. So Airbus is hiring for 5 to 6 positions. So let's look what are that. Okay. So first, let me start with the open positions, Java or React developer, full stack. So the experience they're looking forward is 0 to 10 years. So it is entry level, but still beyond entry level, and freshers too can go with it. Now the CTC, they have mentioned best in industry. So approximately we'll be getting, I mean, in Airbus, the approximate CTC of the position is approximately you can have 3 to 4 plus LPA. So this is a best package that everything, your package, everything depends upon your experience and also. So this is what about the Java React developer full stack in Airbus. Now the qualifications and experience they are looking forward is bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, computer engineering, information technology, or relevant field with development experience as intern. So strong knowledge and coding abilities using Java and related frameworks, knowledge in rich web development with React or JavaScript, knowledge of server-side development, database design, knowledge with cloud platforms is a plus, knowledge in test automation knowledge, advanced level of English. So this is the basic qualifications or the everything that they're looking forward for in a candidate. So basic technology, knowledge in basic technology is a must, and you must be a computer science related field in bachelor's or master's. And one more thing they have clearly mentioned is you must have gone internship in any of the fields. Okay, I mean this computer science field. So as we used to introduce you so much internship openings too, so make use of these internship opportunities with many of them used to neglect it, like this is not a job, why should you apply for that? But internship is very important in anyone's career. It is an added advantage, so make use of that. Now coming to the responsibilities: designing, developing, testing, documenting, publishing, supporting and operating web applications, deploying highly available, scalable, maintainable, monitored solutions, implementing test automation, covering multiple test aspects like unit test, functional testing, security testing, load and performance testing, developing, updating, and use CI/CD pipeline to allow fully automated deployments of applications across all environments from development, QA, and production. So this is the roles and responsibilities that you will be handling there. Now let's move on to the other job opened in Airbus itself. It is functional analyst or functional design. So the experience here is 0 to 10 years. CDC also similar to that. Now coming to the job location is Bengaluru, and qualification and experiences: engineering graduates, preferably in computer science. Okay, if other experience or other qualifications or other eligible criteria is met in you, even if you are still from another stream, then you can apply for this. Very good practical Linux skill usage, not admin. Good knowledge of GUI, good understanding of ITIL process, ability to learn and master Airbus-specific scientific computing applications, strong analytical skills, complex problem solving, ability to diagnose, reproduce, and address application issues, good understanding of server architecture and engineering applications, ability and willingness to learn about high performance computing, individual and proactive way of working, experienced in collaborating with internal and external stakeholders, adaptation and learning of business processes, speak of the customer, especially around functional design applications, experienced in working within a product delivery life cycle, agile or scrum, experience in software development is a plus. So these are the eligible criteria that they are looking forward for in the opening of analyst. So this is, if this is met, then you can definitely apply to this. Responsibilities is given here. All these experienced field, all these eligible criteria, you will be performing it, that is mentioned in responsibilities. You'll be handling everything relating to that. Now moving on to the other, which is Python developer. So Python developer, they're looking forward for 0 to 9 years of experience, and freshers and entry level and plus entry level can also give it a try. Now CTC2, approximately the same. It depends upon the experience. I mean, same salary which is given to a fresher cannot be made to 8 or 9 years experienced person. So it depends upon that. Approximately, it's a high package available in Airbus. Now, job location is Bengaluru. Now the qualification experience or the eligible criteria is bachelor's of master's in degree in computer science, computer engineering, information technology, or relevant field with development experience as intern, strong knowledge and coding abilities using Python and related frameworks like PySpark, knowledge of server-side development, database design, advanced level of English. So this is the eligible criteria they're looking forward for. In this, they have clearly mentioned bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or related fields with an internship experience. So it is for them, not for the other. But in previous one, they have mentioned preferably computer science. So they are preferred, but still, if others having the knowledge mentioned in the eligible criteria, then they can apply for that. Now, moving on to the other job, which is functional specialist, 0 to 10 years of experience, location in Bangalore, Qualification experience required, engineering graduates, preferably in computer science, ability to learn and master Airbus specific engineering and PLM application, complex problem solving, ability to diagnose, reproduce and address application issues, good understanding of server architecture and engineering applications, working knowledge of SQL database, working knowledge of Linux operations and commands, understanding the ITIL process is an advantage, good understanding on incident management and knowledge management, excellent communication and presentation skills, complex problem solving, ability to diagnose, reproduce, and address application, knowledge of semaphore, a process and KPI, Unix, FTS, SFS knowledge appreciated, product lifecycle management understanding appreciated, expertise in Excel appreciated. So these are the qualifications or experience or the eligible criteria they're looking forward for the candidate to the position functional specialist, associate system engineer. So that's all. I mean, you'll be handling the latest technologies, you'll be handling the basic of systems. So this is what, and now moving on to the other, which is associate system engineer, SAP. Now the experience is 0 to 10 years, best in industry CDC approximately, depending upon the experience that you have, and large job location is Bengaluru. Qualifications and experience or the eligible criteria, engineering graduate, preferably in computer science, good understanding of ITIL processes, good understanding the business requirements and specifications, design, develop, test, and documentation software or application modules, ability to learn and master ERP technologies in SAP, strong analytical skill, complex problem solving, ability to diagnose, reproduce, and address application issues, ability and willingness to learn about high performance computing, individual and proactive way of working, experienced in collaborating with internal and external stakeholders, adaptation and learning of the business process in agile methods. So this is all about the associate system engineer eligible criteria. Now, so if anyone would like to make it, then you can have to try if your eligible criteria is met with that of your knowledge. So to apply for this, you have to, yes, consider this, that Airbus is going to conduct an online assessment known as Aerothon, which registration have been started now. So it's a 2.5 hours duration online assessment test. I mean, it's a test process. So you can make your test, I mean, register here with your profile. Now, this opens on May 7th. I mean, the exam date will be from May 7th and will be closing on May 9th. So in between, you'll be having you have to spend 2 hours, 30 minutes at a go. So you'll be getting registered. In between, you can make it your time and attend your exam. So with the assessment, with the test scores, you can apply for this. So this is how they are hiring in Airbus. So to register, you can click this link and you can sign up with Google or anything and start to do that. So when you log in, you'll be getting this form to fill your personal details. After that, so that's all. So you'll be getting a form to fill your personal details and you can upload your resume, your current resume, and you can get registered to it. So this is how you have to apply for Airbus. Next, we have another more opening in QuickBuzz, that requirements. Let's go for the requirements. And it is a Linux and cloud administrator in Bangalore. So requirements will be experience in Linux administration in production environments, strong understanding of scripting languages like Bash, Python, Perl, etc., strong understanding of current network protocols, architecture and design, experience with containerization like tools like Docker, Docker Swarm, Kubernetes, etc., experience with infrastructure or configuration management using Terraform, Ansible, Puppet, Chef, or equivalent is a plus. Experience with Google Cloud or Amazon Web Services or IBM software and management of cluster and deployments on a very large scale. Experience with various monitoring tools and concepts. Experience with SQL and MySQL, NoSQL. Experience is a plus. Knowledge is of best practices and IT operations, excellent verbal and communication skill. So this is the eligible criteria. If it is met in you, then you can apply. They have mainly mentioned about the computing languages and the basic computing or the famous technologies regarding the network, everything. So it is basically handled by computer science students. So now, yes, to apply, you can fill this form and upload your resume and submit. So this is how you have to apply for this. So that's all about today. We have discussed about 6+ openings in various 3 companies. So make your soon after you watch this video, make your turn and make your application to this, which eligible criteria is met. So if you have any doubts regarding this, please let us know in the comment section. And until I come up with another video regarding this recruitment process, thank you and have a great day. Be safe, everyone, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.